What is the root cause of pride? Pride is often driven by poor self-worth and shame. We feel so badly about ourselves that we compensate by feeling superior. We look for others' flaws as a way to conceal our own. We relish criticizing others as a defense against recognizing our own shortcomings. What is negative about pride? But pride isn't always positive. Pride can also mean conceit, arrogance, or superiority. This kind of pride is based on self-centeredness and it's destructive. Selfish pride is especially destructive to relationships. That's because the opposite of loving others is not hating them, but rather being self-centered. What is the real meaning of pride? 1. The quality or state of being proud, such as A. Inordinate self-esteem. Conceit. B. A reasonable or justifiable self-respect. C. Delight or elation arising from some act, possession, or relationship. Parental pride. What are the characteristics of a prideful person? Pride is being selfish, thinking excessively about self. Pride based is too much self-love, thinking the worth of ourself is higher than it actually is. Self-worship, preoccupation with our image or self. Pride is narcissism in love with our image or self. What are the two types of pride? The two types of pride correlated with distinct profiles of goal regulation tendencies, effective tendencies, and self-control. Authentic pride correlated with measures of self-control, whereas hubristic pride was related to measures of impulsivity and aggression. How do you fight pride biblically? 1. Give people permission to point out pride in your life. Pride deceives the mind. Focus more on God than you do on yourself. When pride is pointed out, our first reaction can be introspection. 3. Pray. Prayer is a posture of humility towards God. Remember what the Bible says about pride. In Proverbs 11:2, verse, when pride comes, then comes disgrace, but with humility comes wisdom. Proverbs 16:5, the Lord detests all the proud of heart. Be sure of this, they will not go unpunished. Proverbs 16:18, pride goes before destruction, a haughty spirit before a fall. How do you fight pride? 1. Be aware while pride shows you sufficiently value yourself and your accomplishments, and it helps you work toward what you deserve. It's dangerous in large quantities. 2. Don't take yourself too seriously. 3. Ask the right questions. 4. Be open-minded. 5. Listen, don't talk. 6. Put your business first. How does the Bible define pride? The biblical sin of pride refers to a higher or exalted attitude, the opposite of the virtue of humility, which is the appropriate posture people ought to have with God. Charles H. Synonyms for pride in the Bible are insolence, presumptuousness, arrogance, conceit, high-mindedness, haughtiness, and egotism.